Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn ABC alphabets A to Z. Kids class name. Red color, green color, blue color, yellow color, yellow color, black color. Kids, now coloring alphabets A to Z. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. Kids, now draw C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use green color. Kids, again use green color and draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. Kids, now draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids, now draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. And again use green color. Kids, now draw H. H for hen, H for helicopter, and use blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Kids, now draw K. K for kite, K for king, and use yellow color. L. L for lion, L for lemon. Kids, again use yellow color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. Kids, now draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, now draw O. O for orange, O for octopus, and use yellow ochre color. Kids, again use yellow ochre color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Kids, now draw Q. Q for queen, Q for quail. Kids, now draw R. R for rose, R for rat, and use black color. Kids, again use black color and draw S. S for sun, S for sheep. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids, again use black color and draw U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. Kids, now draw V. V for van, V for vanilla, and use red color. Kids, again use red color and draw W. W for wolf, W for watch. Kids, now draw X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. Kids, now draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo, and use green color. Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.